I'm going to show you probably the favorite Git feature that I have learnt this year. It is the Git fixup and the Git autosquash. So let's have a quick look. Let's look at our previous 3 commits. And what we've got is the most recent commit is we're fixing the format of results parsers, and we've got some results parsers that we've made changes to. The commit before that, we're doing something to the baseline analysis results file. And then the one before that is some general tidy up. Now, often when I'm working away at stuff, I make the commits and then suddenly I realize there's a change I wanted to make. So if we look, just imagine I needed to make a change in the baseline analysis results file. So I've just put a comment in here. This is just to illustrate what's going on, but I've got a comment, an update to baseline analysis results. And in the JSON results parser, I've got a comment there to say an update to results parser. So in real life, in a real example, these would be actual changes that I wanted to apply to these 2 files. And if I go back to my logs, I've got a commit, which is all about updates to results parsers, and a commit, which is all about updates to the baseline analysis results file. So what I really want to do is amend these 2 commits with the changes that I've got ready to make. So I could do a process similar to what we did yesterday with the interactive rebase. So I could create 2 more additional commits, and then I could use interactive rebase to move those commits around and then squash them. But I'm going to show you a shortcut today. So the first thing, I'm going to get a copy of this commit, the one where we're fixing the formatting in the baseline analysis results file. Then I'm going to do, let's just do a git status so I can see the files that have changed. So then I'm going to do git commit --fixup, and I'm going to use the char of the commit, which was all to do with the changes to the baseline analysis results. And I'm going to say this is just a single file that needs changing. If you needed to make changes to multiple files, you would stage them as normal and then do git commit --fixup and then the char that you're interested in. So that has created a commit, and the expression is fixup ! And then it is the summary line that I had from the commit that I actually want to apply this to. And I'm going to do the same. So I now just, here's our new commit that we've just made. And I need to also just get the char of the commit, which is fixing the formatters of the results parsers. So I've copied that. And we can do it the old school way. So if I just do git status, currently this is in the working tree. So if I do git add dot, it will move it into the stage, changes to be staged. And then I can do git commit --fixup, and then the char that I want to apply that I actually want to make this change to. So I'm going to do that. And now if I look at git log, look at the previous 4 commits and the change. So this commit here, which is the fixup commit, I've got this comment, add an update to results parser. Then I have got this other fixup commit where it's got adding an update to the baseline analysis results. And then I've got my big commit here, which is the fix the format of results parsers, which has got lots of changes. And what I want to do is, so this is the 3rd commit, I want to add the contents of the 1st commit, this change here, to the 3rd commit, this commit here, and I want to add the changes in the 2nd commit to the 4th commit. So now what I can do is I can do git rebase -i for interactive and --, autosquash. And we'll go back to 5 commits because you have to give a reference. And we can see what's happened here is Git has been clever enough to say, commit that we want to fix up is moved it into the correct place. So we've got our fix. This is our original commit, fixed format, formatting in baseline results analysis, and this is the fix up commit. So we've automatically put it in the right place for the interactive rebase, and the same again for the results parsers. So we don't need to do anything clever here. We can just save that. It's updated everything, and now if we have a look at the previous 3 commits, we've got fixed formatter of results parser, we've got fixed formatting in baseline analysis results, and we've got all the way back to the tidy up. Let's have a look at what's going inside each of these commits. So now our fixed format of results parsers, it's got the little updates that I wanted to make, plus the original commit. So it's kind of concatenated those 2 commits. And then if we go down to the fixed formatting and baseline analysis results, it's got the little update I wanted to make and the original changes. And then there we are back with the tidy up commit. So that's pretty clever. So just remember what we did. We had the commits as they were originally. We then made our changes. We created a new commit for each change we wanted to make, and we did git commit -- fix up, and then the SHA of the commit that we actually wanted to apply that change to. And then once we've done all that, we could just do git rebase -i -- autosquash, and it would Git would be clever enough to put the commits all where they needed to be with the right commands in the interactive rebase. You just accepted that, and Git put everything where it needed to be. So this -- fix up and -- autosquash are really useful commands for helping you out when you've made minor mistakes when you've had minor omissions to commits that you want to later rectify. I think that's a great feature in Git. So hope you found that useful. Definitely give this one a go, and I will see you in the next video. If you found this useful, please give it a like and follow along for the remaining videos in these series. Okay, I'll speak to you tomorrow for the next set of Git tips and tricks.